Soon we'll have a quiz. Before the quiz, I want to review these words. So, one more time, what is social media? That everyone uses, yes. For example? Good. Okay. What is mass media?
Mass media is radio and news.
Radio, TV, newspaper, yes. Big company news. What's a headline?
Headline is title.
Title of the article. What is coverage?
Radio, TV, and news.
Okay. So coverage is when news talks about something. Is there coverage of this topic? No, I didn't hear. There's no coverage. Oh yes, I know. There's a lot of coverage. Coverage. There is coverage. I can see it on TV. I can see it on the internet. There is no coverage. I don't know. Okay. What's the press? The press is people who make
Newspaper.
people who make newspaper and news TV. People who make news. What's reporting?
Writing on news.
Writing and saying the news, telling people the news. What's an article?
News.
Yeah, so one piece of news, one story is an article. What's a deadline? So deadline is the time or the day that you have to what? Deadline is when you have to submit something. Like a homework deadline, an article deadline. That's when you turn it in, if you submit it. What is broadcasting?
Saying to people on news.
That's kind of, that's more like reporting. But broadcasting is when you send out TV, send out radio. That is broadcasting. What's a byline?
Something that's saying one story.
Kind of, yes. So a story has two parts, headline and
Byline.
byline, yes. Headline is the title, byline is the story, the information. Okay, what is feature? What is a feature?
I don't know.
A feature is a very important news story, the #1 news story. Breaking news, tonight's feature. What is freelance?
Freedom.
Kind of freedom, yes. Freedom for what?
Working.
Yes, freedom for working, yes. A freelance reporter is a reporter who does not have a company. They sell one article at a time. They don't work for a company. What is investigative? Investigate?
You News every 30 seconds.
So investigative news is news that looks for, what does it look for?
Cave.
It looks for the truth. Investigative news, news to find the truth. What is celebrity news? What's a celebrity? A celebrity is a person who is famous. A person who is famous. News about famous people. Okay. Can we take a test now, or do you need to review it? Yeah. Okay. Hope it's not too difficult. Right. Okay, so what includes TV, radio, and newspapers, not Instagram?
Mass media.
Mass media. Okay. Next. The title of an article is
Headline.
the headline. Instagram, Facebook, Kakao are all types of
Social media.
social media. Okay. During the time of COVID-19, there was a lot of what of the disease? Coverage, news about the disease, coverage of the disease. Okay, what kind of news tries to find the truth in a story?
Investigative.
Investigative news. Okay, we can see people on TV doing what kind of news? Reporting news. Okay, the day or time to submit an article is the deadline. Okay, all the people who make news are reporting.
The press.
Ooh, the press, yes. Okay. Well, it's good that you know the answer anyway. Okay, so wait, not bad. Pretty good. These are kind of difficult words. Alright, then. Today we are going to begin lesson 8, the conditional. Right? So first, the zero conditional. We talk about things that are generally true, especially rules. If I drink too much coffee, what happens?
I can't sleep at night.
Right. If you heat ice, if you put ice in the sun, if you put ice in the microwave, what happens?
The ice melt.
The ice melts. Okay. When the sun goes down, what happens?
It got dark.
It gets, yes. Okay.